how we make it, go check it out. In the Kitchen with DryerBuzz. Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz. This is In the Kitchen with DryerBuzz. Another quick episode. Now, we've got our lemonade on the stove. Always. Lemonade is always on the stove. In the Kitchen with DryerBuzz, what's the first thing going on the stove? That's the lemonade. But what do we do while the lemonade is getting ready? We're going to whip up some guacamole because there's a game coming on. Or if you just want a quick snack, listen. Simple stuff. I know every time you look at a recipe, let me tell you why we came into the kitchen. Because every time we look at a recipe, it was just doing too much. It's like break it back down. It's all about flavor and something easy, something simple. So I've got some red onion here that I cut up kind of just enough to go bite-sized. Not bite-sized, just enough to go easily into my little Whopper chopper there. And then I got me a nice Roma tomato. I'm just going to go ahead and chop that up just so that I don't have to whip this up too much. So we're going to just add in a couple slices of that, or the whole thing, because I love tomato. And again, it's like the thing about making stuff at home and in your own kitchen is the fact that you get to add in as much of a little something that you want, right? I'm like, come on. So I like tomato in mine. And people are like, well, that's not guacamole. Look, I don't care what it is. It's my kitchen. And the good thing about it being your kitchen, you want to add your flavors, the different seasonings. And we had some taco seasoning left over, so I'm going to try that with the taco seasoning. As you can see, I just, boom, get that out of there. And then this is the hard part, trying to get it off your knife safely. Not reckless, not reckless. That's the thing, too, about being in the kitchen, too. And I didn't put my gloves on. My poor little manicure is going to be dealt with tonight, especially peeling my lemons. Because I peeled the lemons. You'll see that in the other video. If you check out the video prior to this one, man, this seed is like, no, we don't want to come out. All right, so got my avocado. So I have a little bit more room in there. I'll bring that over here. Is that still in? That's good. All right, doesn't take a lot. Don't put it on there too long. So I'm going to get this out the way. There is nothing, can I just tell y'all, I don't know what we are. I actually could have put this in the dish because that is right about where I want it. I don't know what we are eating everywhere, but when I tell you that when you cook stuff at home and the fragrances, the flavors that you end up with, it's like, oh my God, when did they make, the food that you eat out? It's like, and now probably gonna have to mix it in the bowl because it looks like I got a little bit more than I thought. I'm just gonna go ahead and whip that up. And and one of the reasons is my lemonade. I can see my fruit is coming to the top over there. And I want this kind of chunky. I don't want it too smushed. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot. And now I'm just gonna dump this. I'm gonna stir this around. Let me see. I might need a bigger bowl. Is that gonna be enough? Oh my goodness. Let's see, y'all. Let's see how much we get in there. Let me bring your bowl over. You might have two bowls. And I love guacamole. I can eat it like crazy. But we're talking about like it's the middle of the week. It's a good snack. That's what we're doing here. Oh yes, honey. Yes, honey. And I like to use guacamole or avocado. Let me just say that. I like to use avocado as mayo. Put a couple little things in it. Using it as mayo instead of mayo, or with mayo, or and I got some. Oh, you know what I got left? Hold on. I hope I have some left. Let me see. Got a little cheese in there. Gotta have a little cheese, especially some of that Italian blend, which has got that little pecorino, Romano, and I'll drop that cheese in there. I'm going to get that to a nice consistency as well. Again, your kitchen, add what you want. going to season that off with our leftover taco seasoning. All right, so now we've got our avocado, our cheese. We're going to add in a little bit of our tomato and onion here. As much as we can of that.